Hello everyone, MySrang here, and we're playing some more Shotgun King Extra. So, JP12 added some weapons. So, let's see what they are. Ah, yes. A single-use shotgun. Okay, let's go in order. Bullets go perfectly straight before spreading. Oh, it's like that crack shot cluster whatever thing in Vanilla Plus, I think. They go straight for like one tile, and then they, yeah, then they spread out. Okay, Perfect barrels. Bullets are spread evenly across the fire arc. Okay, sure. That also exists in the other mod. Deceleration cannon. Bullets do more damage the longer they exist. Go for those snipes. Wait, shouldn't this be an acceleration cannon though? Because like the bullets are accelerating as they go? I don't know. Okay, let's just keep looking. Ah, the acceleration cannon is like the same, but the opposite. Okay, I'm assuming it's one more damage per tile they traveled. Wait. Firepower 2. Okay, so you just get a damage boost on close range shots. Yeah, like there's no way you do 2 damage as the payoff of... Okay, whatever. No spare bullets, 1 shot, 1 kill, get the angle, take the shot. Okay, 1 firepower. Okay, there must be some kind of hard-coded text that makes the pellet do, like, unlimited damage. Okay, can't hit pieces within 1 tile. Yikes. Homing bullets. Okay, that's fun. Bullets will start to curve. Bullets bounce off the edge of the board. So most of these, most of those effects existed on shotguns in the other mod, Vanilla Plus. Let's try acceleration cannon. This seems like the most normal-ish. It's like, you know, I just wanna go up to some enemies and shoot them really hard. Okay, so I can shoot the... Wait, what? Wait, was this the gun? Did I click the wrong gun? I thought I clicked the one where I do less damage. I'm confused. Okay, so that was a total of 4 damage inflicted. Now we go far away. Okay, yeah, it does more damage the farther away you are. Okay, So it's 2 pellets, but they do... Yeah, the 2 pellets, and the pellets do damage based on your distance. Okay, weird. We're getting slightly better accuracy over the course of the run. Seems like that would be kind of good. Yeah, with the, you know, the increased damage at a distance. Gotta have the increased aim. Okay. Wait, I could have sworn I took the shotgun that does more damage at close range. I don't know. Obviously I didn't. Alright. Do 1 damage to nearby pieces every turn. That's exciting. Yeah, get those snipes with snuff the torches. Yeah, no thanks. Although, Searing Aura, what it does 1 damage to adjacent pieces every turn. My -1 fire range is a non-issue. I'm gonna take King's Shoulders. This is my close range option. Look at that. 1 shot, 2 kills. Okay. Well, with only 2 pellets, there's a very decent chance that our shots don't do anything. Ooh, -1 firepower. That just takes away half my damage, but at least I'm like guaranteed to hit. I think I want to go the other route and just get lots of damage. I have the decreasing fire arc every 5 turns. That seems pretty good. Alright. Do I want 3 bishops? Or do I want 4 knights? Well, I want better accuracy. So, okay, I guess we're taking 3 bishops. Okay, I get to shoot on turn 1, because I wasn't on the same column as the queen. Okay. Wait, I had to pick up the peace card. Yeah, there we go. Oh, and now the bishops don't have very much health. Okay. Yeah, I had king's shoulders. I might have not needed to use my queen soul. Alright, I'm gonna try to get another queen soul. My decreasing fire arc should be perfect for the task. Alright, I think I'd rather have a rook soul than a knight soul. And we're out of here. Unlimited king shoulders, let's go. Always a fan of that. Alright, well, the first of many. Okay. Well, this is a guaranteed kill. Actually, with the doubled fire arc for some number of bullets, I had forgotten about that. And it might not have been. Okay, I don't need this anymore. Alright, let's try to get a queen. And we got a queen. Okay, cool. Okay. We got the hook into Ring King combo again. Yeah, let's go for it. We have unlimited range now, so we can hit anything with it with the hook. Okay, that's. Oh, okay. If I kill a bishop, they lose a little bit of speed. They won't be moving every turn. This is pretty dangerous, though. Okay, how am I gonna make this work? Oh, here's what I'm gonna do. Well, I don't know. Let's just pull this bishop and hope for the best. Wait, what? Oh, I messed up. I didn't notice that the bishop had 2 health. Okay. Yeah, we just lost. Okay. Yeah, apparently giving speed boosts to bishops is bad. Okay, I need to see what shotgun I picked. Okay. Yeah, I picked the bullets do less damage the longer they exist, get in their face. But clearly, yeah, I think the tooltips are just might be swapped here. Okay, well let's try the single-use shotgun then. So, I mean, this will be very simple. It's just, you know, find the king and get rid of him. We have 5-degree fire arc and 100 damage from a single pellet. So if I'm never going to be shooting a pawn, then pawns can't die is great. Alright. And we're out of here. Ooh, more firepower. Is that going to give me 4 pellets that do 100 damage each? I think so. So it means I'll have, well, let's see. Yeah. Yeah, because the pellets went through the king. Get extra turns on rook kills. I'm not going to be killing rooks. Okay, both these are completely useless then. Well, okay, rook -1 speed actually is not useless. I just didn't notice that. Okay. That should be guaranteed. Good job, team. Ooh, okay. Get the blade, the sweeping edge card. Add a queen. So either add 1 queen or I add 3 bishops. 2 blade is not good when everything has more than 2 health and I can't soften them up with shots. Okay, so I have 4. Okay, let's just get rid of this king. Wait, what? But I thought I had 4 pellets. Okay, I misunderstood then. Misunderstood the gun. Alright, one more try. Oh, you get that promotion every 10 turns. Okay, steady aim seems to be not important. Okay, king +1 speed. Actually, what's my plan for the boss fight? Wait, I do 100 damage. It's like in my head I was like, oh, I do 10 damage. No, I do 100. Alright, now if this king could just like... Yeah, that's a shot. Okay. Bishops +1 speed. So this would be like I have to win in 20 turns or I just lose. Or I could just take the hook. I'll take the hook again. Now bishops move every other turn. That's okay. Okay, I cannot use the hook on turn 1. Boo. Wait, what? What is... What, I can't... it doesn't... It's not working. Help. Okay. That is a shot. Yeah, there we go. It's weird that Hunter's hook isn't working. Oh, do I just break the game if I take a big game Hunter? Because it gives me 3 ammo max? I sure do. Alright then. Oh, +3 firepower. Okay. So that time it worked with the 4 firepower and the insta kill. What is this? Queen can... Ooh. Interesting. Hubris is, I guess, good. Yeah, because I could just go to a black square. Yeah, and I even start on a black square now. I think it's just a 50-50 every floor. I think getting +25 fire arc is a bad idea. Okay. Yeah, and I've gotten a lot, or I've gotten some fire arc buffs, or to get a shorter fire arc, so it should still be at 5. Yep, it is. Okay. And considering I'm just winning every floor on turn 1, it doesn't really matter what I pick unless it's like king castles with something else. You know, we'll just flex on the boss by giving him +45 health and still one-shotting him. Flip card if there's no boss on the board. Oh, so this only works during the boss fight now. I don't feel like it needed to have that restriction, but it's fine. Okay, whatever. Doesn't matter. Well, good job, team. We beat the boss on turn 1. Man, those are some weird changes to the mod. Anyway, that's where we're going to call it. What are we going to do next time, though? Man, can't hit pieces within 1 tile. That looks like a headache. I don't know if I want to try that out. Homing bullets. Maybe I'll try that on like a high rank difficulty and see just how powerful homing is. But we only have 4 firepower. Okay, whatever. We'll figure that all out next time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you then.